One click. Anything you want. At your door by Tuesday. Your great-great-grandparents would call you a wizard. So here's the mystery. Why doesn't it feel amazing? Rewind to the Stone Age. Want dinner? Hunt it. Days of tracking, real danger, no refunds. The price of everything wasn't money, it was effort. Enormous, sweaty, dangerous effort. And that effort did something sneaky. It was the world's first budget. When dinner costs 3 days and a risk to your life, you only chase what you truly need. Fast forward, 100 years ago. Want new shoes? Save for months. Walk to town, one general store. Maybe they have your size. Maybe come back in spring. New things were events. One coat a year. A family would gather around a new radio like it was a spaceship landing. Getting something was rare. And rare made it precious. 40 years ago, malls and catalogs. Huge upgrade, but you still drove there, walked for hours, carried it home, or mailed an order and waited weeks. Effort shrank. It never hit zero. Ask your parents about layaway. Paying for something month by month before you could take it home. Imagine wanting one thing for 3 straight months. That was completely normal. Then the internet arrived, and effort fell off a cliff. Then one click, and effort hit zero. A million years of work for it deleted in a single generation. And look, every drop in effort felt like progress, because it was. Nobody misses hunting breakfast. But something got deleted along with the effort. The filter. Effort was the built-in question. Do you really want this? The forest asked it. The walk to town asked it. The drive to the mall asked it. Today, it's asked by nobody. Groceries tell the whole story. Hunting, then farming, then market day, then the supermarket, then a delivery click. Food went from days of work to 30 seconds. Your stomach didn't change. The filter did. Meanwhile, your brain? Still Stone Age hardware. It was built for a world where getting stuff was brutally hard, so it's programmed to grab, because for a million years, grabbing meant surviving. That's the mismatch. An ancient brain dropped into an instant world. You're not weak-willed, you're running hunter software inside a click store. So what's the fix? Go back to hunting? Obviously not. You do what every smart generation did. Keep the convenience, rebuild the filter. The modern filter is effort you add on purpose. The 7-day wish list. Typing the card number by hand. And the big one, the mall test. The mall test. Would you spend a Saturday, a bus ride, and the walk home carrying it for this thing? If yes, buy it proudly. If no, you never wanted it. You were just clicking. A million years of humans dreamed of a world where getting things took no effort. You live in that world. Which means the final human skill isn't getting things anymore. It's choosing. You have what kings and pharaohs couldn't buy. Everything. One click away. Prove you're the one holding the lamp. Follow. The ancient brain needs every update it can get.